Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra, a dynamic mathematics software, is presented at this video series. To view the contents, you may join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing a worksheet to explore parabolas. In this particular worksheet, a child will come and enter the equation of a parabola and all the contents, that equation, its curve and its focus, its latus rectum and everything will be shown to the children. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, a licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. I will show you what type of worksheet I will be designing. I will be designing a worksheet where a child will come and only enter the coefficient of x or coefficient of y. For example, in this first one, he is entering 16x. Then the general equation and y square is equal to 18x. Then what will be the vertex, what is the focus, and what is the directrix and what is the length of the latus rectum will be shown to him. Suppose the same child is entering here minus 20, then that particular left hand side parabola will be shown to him with all vertex, focus, directrix and length of the latus rectum. The new problem will enable him to go for a new problem now. Suppose here if he is typing 12y, the upward parabola, everything will be shown to him. Okay. Similarly, suppose if he is typing here minus 20y, then the downward parabola, general equation, everything will be shown to him. Therefore, if the child is having the equation with him, then he can come using this particular worksheet. He can explore the vertex, the focus, the directrix and length of the latus rectum. Let us try to design this dynamic worksheet from scratch. For that, I have taken a GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet. The algebra view also I will just leave it because I may be using it. Therefore, exploring parabolas maybe. First, let me tell you that I wish to have a separate slider for the LHS and RHS parabola and a separate slider for upward and downward parabola. Therefore, I will take the first slider. Let me take it from, I think it is left to you. I think you can have multiples of 4. Suppose you can have from minus 20 to 20 or you can have from minus 50 to 50. It is left to you. Accordingly, it will come. Suppose minus 40 to 40. Suppose I will take from minus 40 to 40 and increment as 1. Is it okay? Now let me take the second slider also. In the same way, let me take it as minus 40. So normally the children will not go beyond this limit normally to 40 and with increment as 1. Is it okay? Okay. Now remember the child, suppose he is having its equation. He will not come and drag it and then keep it at 8 and then he will not drag it and keep it at 20 and so on. Okay, it will be a little bit. Let us try to have input boxes for this A and B. For that, go to this input box. In that, you type y square. First, we will go for the first equation. Y square is equal to, you link a with that, small a with that. Okay. Okay. You can make it little bit big. It is left to you. I think I will make it as large and then the style, all of you know that it should be made into very small. Okay. Then, okay, I will keep it over here. Now the child has to enter y square is equal to 4ax. For example, y square is equal to 8x. Whatever you want to child want to enter. Therefore, it is y square is equal to 8x. The child will enter here. Similarly, we will have one more input box, x square. Therefore, x, I will go for square, is equal to square is equal to link the object B with that. Okay, go for it, object property, then go for large, and then make the style as maybe 3. Okay, can reduce it also, it is left to you. Okay, now again go to this text, because we want the child to enter x square is equal to 4ay. Therefore object property text, then large, then bold it, and then put it over here. Okay, now the child will be going on entering. Therefore this AB, no need to just slide it and then write it. Okay, the child can do like this. Okay, now let us now go for explore. So your child is coming and exploring it. Now this problem, whatever he is entering, if you want to clear it, then you can go for a OK button, new problem, where you can write small a is equal to question mark and small b is equal to question mark. Press OK. When I click it, you see automatically everything goes. The child, whatever he has entered, it will go. Now the child has to enter it once again. Now let us go for a problem where the child is coming and entering y square is equal to 16x. Is it okay? Now I will go for how this can be, whenever the child is putting y square is equal to 16x, then how it can be done. Okay, for that what we will do is, we will go for, because sometimes the child will enter a positive number or he may enter a negative number also. Is it okay? Therefore we want it should be 4a, should be 4a. For what we will do is, we will go for absolute value of a. The absolute value of a, we'll just take it. For example, in this case it is a c, it is c. Now let us go for, we want a, therefore c divided by 4, therefore that is 4. Okay, now we will start it. Now we will go for ABC text. We will type here y square is equal to, y square is equal to whatever that ax, therefore ax. Okay, you got it on the right side now. Okay, now we will go for going on expanding it. It's now, therefore it is a right hand parabola. Okay, we can write like this, then we can tell its general equation is y, small y, from the symbol you can go for y square, y square is equal to 4ax, finish. Okay, general equation is equal to 4x. Now you can tell in this particular case, he has written, the child has written there, for you can write what is a is equal to, you know that it is a d, a is equal to d, in this case it is 4. Okay, now you can go on tell the children that what will be the vertex. I think all the problem which we are discussing in our syllabus, it will be normally the origin, the vertex will be the origin, so you can write it vertex is equal to origin. Then in the next you can have what will be the focus. The focus will be on the right side, it is a comma 0, but here you see that it is, you can write it as d comma 0. Therefore from here you can go for d, then comma 0. Okay, it is 4 comma 0. Okay, now you can tell the children that what will be, you can write here what is 4 into d. For example, you can directly take c, but there won't be any issue. Therefore length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a is equal to, from this here c can be written directly, therefore c, therefore it's equal to 16. Length of lattice rectum is equal to 16. If you want the directrix also, you can write, therefore x is equal to, I think d, minus d, therefore directrix also you can write here. Suppose if the child wants to check the directrix, is equal to, I think this should be equation number 2. Oh, got it. Okay. Okay. Now suppose a child comes and then he go for 20. You see, everything changes. A is equal to 5, then focus changes, then the particular equation changes, everything changes. Suppose a child is writing 8x. Okay, again it changes, you see. Okay. Suppose if you want to tell the point also, focus also, if you want to tell the children, you know that it is actually focus is 2, 0, d, 0. Therefore, you can type here also d, 0. You see, the d, 0 is shown. So, suppose a child is coming and once again he is trying it as 20x. Sorry, 20x. You see, everything changes automatically. You see, a is also changing, 5, 0, everything it shows. Okay, now remember, all these particular right hand side parabola, its explanation should happen only when a is greater than 0. Therefore, right hand side parabola, go to the object properties. In the condition, you type here a greater than 0. Okay, I will copy it so that that will be common to all. Is it okay? This is general equation also, that is the condition. Because this is the general equation only when a is 0. I enter and close. Enter and close. Then a is equal to 5. Again, the same thing, a greater than 0. Enter, sorry. Enter and then close. Once again, this vertex also, the same condition, close. Enter and close. Focus, once again, the same condition, enter, sorry, carefully enter it, enter and close. Again, length of the letter sector, I think it is actually, it is maybe common to both of them, actually whatever may be the left side or right side, but let us have it specially for this. All of them will appear only when we are having that a is greater than 0. Enter and then close. Okay. Now all of them, suppose if I have another problem now, y square is equal to minus 16x. Enter. You see everything gone. Okay. Now I think the directrix also, go for it. Here have the condition, the same condition, a greater than 0. Okay. Now this point also, if you want, again go to this object property, again a greater than 0. I think that condition is applicable to all the problems where it is a right hand side parabola. You see, you got a left hand side parabola now. No need to type the equation, it has already come. For now, again, you go for this text. It is a left hand side parabola. I will do for LHS and RHS, upward, and this one you can do accordingly. Okay, now left hand side parabola. Then in the next text, you can write general equation. You can write y square is equal to minus 4ax. Got it. Is it okay? Now you can go on, tell the children that what is the vertex. It is 0, 0, sorry, 0, 0. Then you can tell them that what is the focus. For that focus, I think you have to type here 0, minus d. You know? Oh, sorry. I think I did a mistake. It should be minus d, 0. It is on the left hand side. Okay. Now let us go for this ABC text once again. Therefore, the focus is from the object. You can go for B. Is it okay? Then once again, I think that length of the letter sectum already it is a common. Is equal to 4a, which is equal to, in that case it is C, absolute value. Remember, I have taken absolute value. Okay. Then what is the next one? Okay, I think you can have the next one, x is equal to a. Okay, I think it is not coming. Okay. I think the equation x is equal to d. Okay, the equation x is equal to d. Okay, this equation is the length of the the equation of the directrix. Therefore, the directrix, I think it should be equation number 4, or I don't know what is it. Equation number 4. It is equation number 4. Okay. Now you see, this is totally working, but this should happen. This should happen only when a is less than 0. Remember that, because you see, whenever a child is entering the negative value there, then all these should be displayed. Therefore, general equation also should be displayed. Is it okay? Enter. Then once again go to this vertex and then enter. Then this focus, again enter. Then length of the lattice rectum, again enter. Again directrix, enter. Okay. Okay. Then this directrix also should not be shown. Over here also go for its object properties. Go there also, you have to enter this. A is less than 0. And this B also I don't want to show it, because this is the focus only for this LHS parabola. Therefore, everything gone. Is it okay now? Okay. Now you see. Now I will type here. I will type here 20x. You see, you got that original one. That is right hand side parabola. Suppose if I convert it into minus 20x. Okay, you got everything about the left hand side parabola. Like that, you can do it for the upward parabola also. For that, the same thing you have to go for it. There the b may be sometime negative, but I have taken here as absolute a. Similarly, you take absolute b and then continuously do it. Whatever you are typing here, the parabola, whatever the parabola you are typing here, give the condition for that to be either b is greater than 0 for all upward parabola contents and b is less than 0 for all downward parabola contents. Therefore, you see, new problem when I have everything is gone. Now the child will type here as 16 and he can explore it. And he will go to the new problem. Here he will type 10. Actually, you see, remember, even when he type here also, there won't be any problem will be there. Okay, about 20. Okay, here. Whatever the number he is writing, instead of this 20 or 10, whatever he is typing, nothing is going to happen. But remember, we have just taken a multiple of 4. We are putting it so that the focus, length, the focus and the directrix, everything, whatever comes here, it will be a integer for us. Okay. Therefore, now once again I will repeat it. This is actually I have done it. Here a new problem when you go, whatever you are entering here, minus 20 if you enter, automatically the equation of the downward parabola and its vertex, its focus will be displayed to the children. Therefore, if a child is having one problem, he is having one equation with him, for he can come, he can use this worksheet to explore what type of parabola it is, if he knows either the coefficient of x or the coefficient of y. Thank you. Let us learn to